So by modus tollens, ano pa yung P or R? Di ba negation ng P or R? It's even, so another key yan. Then yeah, if the sum of two numbers is even,
Hi guys. So it's currently 12:39 in the afternoon. It's time for lunch. So earlier I had my MMW class at 7 a.m. Who gets up in bed at 7 a.m. para mag-take ng MMW course? Well, apparently we do. So wala tayong magagawa. That's my schedule. So ayan po yung ulam natin today. And of course, di pwedeng mawala yung rice. So while I'm preparing my lunch, might as well give you a short update lang din of what you missed out sa life ko since ang tagal kong hindi nag-vlog. Ngayon, patapos na yung term 2. Well, actually, not really patapos na. 6 weeks pa yung kailangan namin pagdaanan. Update lang, guys. First choice, majorship passer ako for SBM Chemistry. So, it's a straight program wherein I'm going to specialize in chemistry as well. So, if I'm not mistaken, 3 to 4 years undergrad yun. And then, 1 to 2 years masters. And have I mentioned na ba, block president din ako this term. So, yun din siguro yung naging reason bakit hindi ako nakapag-vlog this past few months. Kahit nung sem break, partida ang haba pa ng sem break namin ha. Yung sem break namin lasted at 1.5 months starting November 13, if I'm not mistaken. And then bumalik kami January. Since hindi ko kayo nabati sa vlog ko na Happy New Year. Happy New Year, guys! I know it's a long overdue greeting, but I hope you had a great celebration na sinalubong nyo yung bagong taon. I'm actually preparing for my next class, which is at 1 p.m. It's currently 12:45 na. So, I need to eat fast dahil ang next course ko ay PatFit 1.
5 lesson po. Assist 6 is 12, 30, 15, 7. Diba natin ay yung ginawa na natin last time.
So, in the middle of class, nagugutom ako. Kahit katatapos ko lang kumain actually, I'm feeling a little bit hungry. So, ngayon, mag-order muna ako ng milk tea and then magluluto ako ng carbonara. Okay, guys. So, recently, this has been my favorite noodles from Bangkok, Thailand. Ayan siya, guys. Spicy siya. Magluluto ako ng dalawa kasi bitin sa akin yung isa. Let's eat, guys.
Those new shoes after all, huh? No, I think you got some Western.
Oh, that's spicy.
They want you, they gotta put.
Umorder ako ng milk tea sa Coco. And while waiting for my order, magliligpit muna tayo ng pinagkainan natin, guys. Dahil tapos na rin, by the way, yung class ko for the day. So, free na ako buong araw. I got my milk tea, guys! Hi guys, I'm back. So, I'm quite exhausted right now dahil as you can see, I just finished recording a requirement for PatFit and I have to freshen up a little bit dahil inaanyayahan ako ng parents ko right now to join them sa grocery. And it's currently 5:33 in the afternoon. Wala silang soya. Soya yung gusto kong milk. Sarap to, guys. This is my favorite. Wala silang gummy candy. Ay, ito. Kaso, it's expensive. Kupot sugar lang yung binibili ko. May happy. Another favorite. Hi guys! So I just got home from the grocery and I'm going to show you a little haul. The first thing that I got is this one from Garnier. Paubos na siya guys. So I'm also going to try this one naman. Next naman is pabango from Pen Shop. Next I also got this one. And if matagal ka nang nanonood sa channel ko, makikita mo na ito yung gamit ko dati pa.
And you're not mad about that? You could never live a day.
Jocelyn is so much better than Mr. Smart.
Teacher's lounge.
And I know I'll never love this way again. And it's sad when you go, it's your heart you can't trust.
Was born lucky, I guess. You're really pretty. Love me, girl. Cut on my face.
10 princesses, y'all at school. We got math class in there. Or then, I don't care, you play your little game, do whatever you want. I just want access to my private chef, that's all.
It is currently a Sunday, March 15. It's currently 3:31 in the afternoon. So, may dumating akong dalawang parcel and let's unbox them both. Ay, taray, may plastic pa siya sa loob. Feeling ko ito yung tripod kasi it came with this. Oh, ito nga yung tripod guys. Meron siyang ganito, yung lagayan ng phone. And let's for the final reveal. Ayan na siya guys. Ito yung binili kong tripod for my DJI. Pwede mo rin siyang ilagay dito. Yan, pag ganon. Or pwede rin siyang pag ganito. Let's now unbox the other one. Oh, okay. I forgot I ordered nails. So I currently have my press-ons right now. Ayan siya. But I also ordered another set of nails. This one kasi is for my event sa Saturday. It's so pretty! Ang ganda niya, guys! This is the nail set that I got. And what I like about this nail set din kasi is meron siyang sizes. As you can see sa packaging niya, it has sizes ranging from extra small to large. This will be my lunch for today. It's pancit. I love pancit, lalo na yung madulas. During our last grocery trip, nakita niyo, kumuha ako nito ng vanilla latte from Chingu Cafe. And I always wanted to try this kasi ngayon lang ako makakapag-try nito ng vanilla latte. So, I love vanilla latte so much. Yan yung lagi kong order sa mga coffee shops. Perfect! Ayan, perfect siya sa isang beer mug, guys. So, ganyan din naman ako karami magtimpla ng kape. So, that's perfect. So, yung lasa niya is parang siyang tinimplang blanca na nilagyan ng vanilla syrup. Ay, ito sikat din to yung Gardini. Hindi pa. Maya-maya. Ayan na si MMP.
Saan yun?